Our first stop is Maine Maritime Museum in the town of Bath. First, we're gonna check out the tugboat pilot house replica. Oh, there, okay. That's why it's called a tugboat.
Ready?
Oh wait, it makes a different sound?
Yeah, if you do it for too long.
Okay, that might get annoying for the people outside. This feels kind of crazy. It's like I'm watching a time lapse. This gallery is Woman Behind the Lens, and it's from 3 female photographers that took photos over 100 years ago. This captures life in Maine, and it doesn't look too different from what I've seen now. We've only been in Maine for 1 day. It's a lot more rural than home, and even a bit more rural than what I thought it would be. This is a new form of art that I've never seen. It's made from whale teeth, and I especially like the ship over there. This exhibit is Sea Change. Are we underwater? Look, there's a fish.
That's a cow sound. That's a cow. Now we're gonna make art out of trash.
I'm making a jellyfish right now. So all I did is I took a bunch of these bags and I made them like the tentacles, and that's the body over here. Maybe I'll give the jellyfish a face or something. Oh yeah, that's good. They have boat cruises that are included with admission, but unfortunately we won't have time to stay for that. There's a white sculpture there and a white sculpture there. I believe that that's one end to one end of the Wyoming, which was the largest wooden vessel, and it was capable of carrying 6,000 tons of coal. We're entering the lobstering exhibit, which is one of the industries that Maine is best known for. Oh, look, it's a seat for you.
Lobster. Oh, made out of lobster traps. I like lobster traps, but I do like seats. It's pretty comfy.
So all the lobster we eat in California came from here, I guess.
Easy. Look how stuck.
The lobster traps used to be wooden, but now they're made of steel. And this lobster over here, this makes me feel bad for eating them because he's holding them like a cute pet.
Go ahead.
Go first.
Wow.
Doesn't take much. There you go. Drum roll.
And go. Meow.
Where you be?
Oh no, it crashed.
Oh, it crashed. Oh no.
And that is the Maine Maritime Museum.
My favorite part was the traditional ship launching demonstration because he told us how ships are launched in real life, and we even got to see it as in a model.
That was my favorite part too, but I also enjoyed the lobster exhibit and all the artwork in there. I think this is a great first stop for us in Maine because it really showed us a lot about the local stuff that's going on with the sea and the ships.
And the lobsters.
And the lobsters.
That's our next stop.